All right, we're gonna bake these at 425 for about 20 minutes. All right, it's been 20 minutes and these look perfectly golden brown. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our little spoon and we are going to scoop out the middle of each of our little puff pastry cups, just like so. All right, now that those are completely empty, I'm gonna bring in my powdered sugar that I'm just gonna dust on these before we get to filling. This is obviously optional, but I think it adds a nice little sweetness and a pretty presentation for these super cute puff pastry desserts. Oh my, okay, that looks great. All right, now I'm bringing in my favorite, my no-bake cheesecake Philadelphia, and we're bringing in a kind of ice cream scoop, and we are gonna scoop that right into our puff pastry just like so. We're not filling up the whole scoop because we need some room to add something extra special on top, but look how delicious this looks. Puff pastry, cheesecake, and then one extra sweet treat. These are so perfect for 4th of July or for whatever occasion. It's so easy to make in the summer. You just have your oven on for only like 20 minutes and everyone loves these. It's such a crowd pleaser. So let's get our cheesecake in each one of these. Yummy. All right, so now that we have our cheesecake in these, I'm gonna come in with some blueberry pie filling. Oh my, this looks so delicious. I love cheesecake and blueberry together. So we're gonna scoop on our blueberry on this first row that we have here. You can use whatever pie filling you like. That's the beauty of this. You can even just use fresh fruit if that's what you prefer, make it a little bit healthier. You guys know I have a sweet tooth, so I'm gonna skip this second row and I'm gonna go to the third row and fill that one up with blueberry as well. So puff pastry, cheesecake, and that delicious blueberry pie filling. My mouth is watering. I absolutely love this combo. Oh yeah. And you know we're not leaving these ones with just cheesecake. We have some cherry pie filling, which I feel like is a summer classic. So we have blueberry and cherry, so people can choose whatever one they want. You could even do a strawberry, an apple, a lemon. That is the beauty of this easy dessert. And once we have these all filled with the pie filling, they are ready to devour. Look how cute and simple. I love the cherry and the blueberry, especially for 4th of July. Kind of just plays into the theme. All right, it's time to give these a try. We have a cherry one, and let's look at that bottom real quick.
Let's see.
See how perfectly cooked it is on the bottom?
Nice and toasty.
And then of course a blueberry one of each because these are so good. All right, let's give it a try.
That crunch.
That is so good. You guys have to try them.